take a look at the opening bell on your screens. We've got, as of now, just a flat start, but still skewed towards the advances, which is heartening. And we'll see how that pans out over the rest of the day. In terms of names, iShares, of course, on the upgrade, 1.5% higher. We've got, let's put up some of the earnings and see if there's any move there. We're watching out today for PVR, we're watching out for TVS, we're watching out for Mindtree, that's already reported. We also got PVR just marginally higher ahead of earnings. Z also just about a 1% uptick. Metals continuing to see a bit of a rout on the back of Alcoa's commentary coming in. So across the board today, metals, that's where a big knock is coming in. So that's one clear trend that we're seeing in opening trade. BPCL today flat after a steady move it's been seeing of late. ICICI post the Fairfax stake sale, not much of a reaction coming in there either. Let's take a look at Hero and see how that's shaping up after a hectic week for Hero so far. DHFL continuing its nosedive. Hero is steady. Bajaj, I don't think there's too much of a move coming in on Bajaj either. And Tata Motors just up about 0.5% or so. Commentary coming in that they're open to partnerships but not looking for a stake sale. So metals, clearly, that's the one big trend I can take away from this morning so far, Aisha. Other than that, some limited gains in some of the banking names, and I guess we'll keep an eye on that as we continue with the session.
Check in on what the likes of Indiabulls Housing are doing. Fell about almost 17% at the low point of the day yesterday. Finally closed in with losses of about 12.5%. So let's see whether there's any rebound in that stock. Doesn't seem to be the case. 171 is where it's currently at. I want to also mark DHFL, especially in the light of all the linkages coming in. With the various groups, DHFL currently lower by about 5% as we speak. There's Mindtree, which is reacting to its earnings. That's down by about 3%. And the quarterly update, which is coming from PNB Housing, that also, I guess, the street would be absorbing. Let's see what that stock is up to. PNB Housing starts off, not PNB Housing. That starts off absolutely flat. Shree Cement down about 2%. Nalco down 4%. Idea down 4.5%. On the flip side, there's iShares Motors holding out. There's Z, which is actually holding out ahead of its numbers. There's Glenmark and Sun TV, which are also seeing some spots of green as we speak right now.